So hello everyone, welcome to shiny rainy day, and I hope that you are doing well and having a really good time. So in today's video I will ask you one simple and strong question. The question is, what is your intention of learning English? So at first you have to know your intention. So many people, they want to improve their speaking English. They also start their learning English, but after few days later they stop, they lose their confidence, they lose their intention. So why it is happen with them? The reason behind is they just follow other and they want to improve their speaking English. After few days later they forget their intention, so they don't know what is their intention. So at first you know your intention. So when you know your intention, you can improve speaking English rapidly. If you don't know why you are walking, you are stuck on the halfway. When your reason is clear, you can improve your speaking English rapidly, strongly. So at first you just set a clear goal. The some questions are like this: do you want to get a better job? Do you want to travel around the world? Do you want to speak with foreigner? And do you want to improve your confidence while you are speaking English in the public place? These are the common questions. You just set your clear intention. So let me share my intention of learning English. In 2023, India host G20. There was a meeting about tourism department in Siliguri. So many delegates came there from various country. They speak only one language, that is English. So that time I couldn't speak English any single word. The moment was embarrassed for me, and that moment moved me of learning this language. So I realized that English is not just a subject, it is a skill. So when you know English, when you speak English, you can get a better opportunity, and it is often a new door. I just realized it, and then I clear my intention and I write, and I realize it English is very important for me, and still I face this problem in the future. That's why I just put my effort of learning this language. So it is your turn. Take a notebook and write down your intention. So why do you want to learn English? So when your intention is clear, you can learn English rapidly. You can improve your speaking English. So the main reason is intention is main reason. So we are we want to improve our speaking English, but we don't know what is our intention. So at first you just clear your intention. And if you want to get a better job, especially right now most of the multinational company, they are finding English speaker person. So why they are finding English speaker person? The reason behind is, so they know that when you speak in English, you can communicate with the foreign client very easily. If you don't know English, and it is very difficult. So if you don't know why, if you don't know English, why they are hired you, and why they provide a job for you? So you are not capable for their job. So if you are capable person, then you have to learn this language. So right now you know that English is very important, and most of the country they using this language for official purpose, even it is the language of business. So you just clear your intention. Yes, I can improve, and I don't think that I can't eat. So you think that I will do it, and you just take a notebook, write down your intention, and this is my intention, and anyhow, and I have to improve my speaking English anyway. Then you can improve. Otherwise, you can't eat. So intention is very powerful thing. So we don't know our intention and we just practice it, and without clear intention we can't improve our speaking English. After few days later we forget everything, so we cannot concentrate on our working. So if your goal is clear, your intention is clear, you can do anything. So you just note down your intention. So it is my intention, I have to learn this language anyhow. Then you can improve. So I hope that this video help you to think deeply and what is your intention. So if you are passionate of English language, then you can improve, and I hope that this video help you to think in deeply for learning English, and keep watching my video. So So see you on next video. Tata. Bye.